Video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken in a very easy way. Watch this video till the end so you can make this delicious chicken roast. Right, watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Now I'll show you the recipe that are required. Make this delicious chicken roast. Let's go. So now I'm going to explain you the ingredients needed for the delicious chicken roast. Here you need half kg of properly washed chicken, and then you need gram flour, which is also called besan. You need to add 2 full spoon of gram flour in. You need to add salt according to your taste. Similarly, you need to add chili powder. You can add chili powder half spoon. Likewise, you need to add turmeric powder that adds color in the chicken. Likewise, you need to add wheat flour. 2 spoon of wheat flour that makes the chicken crispy. Likewise, for the delicious taste in the chicken, you can add garlic and ginger paste in the chicken. So, with the help of all these ingredients in the chicken, I am going to use this sunflower oil to deep fry the chicken roast. So now I am going to add all these ingredients into the chicken. You can use this kind of spoon. So now I am going to add 2 full spoon of wheat flour into the chicken. Likewise, let me add this garlic and ginger paste into the chicken. Let me add turmeric powder that adds color into the chicken. Let me add some of the chili into the chicken. I'm going to add a little bit on the chili powder. Now let me add salt according to your taste. Now let me add some of the oil into the chicken. Only a little bit of oil is required. Now I'm going to mix all these ingredients in the chicken with the help of this spoon. After the chicken comes to this position, you need to add a little bit water into it. So I'm going to add only 2 to 3 spoons of water. So mix it properly with the help of this spoon. You can even add 2 to 3 spoons of water, so you can make this mixture looks like this, a little bit good in appearance. After you have added all the ingredients in the chicken, now it's time to deep fry the chicken. So heat the pan and add some oil into the pan. Now let's fry the chicken. So you can add 4 to 5 pieces at one time. So let's heat the chicken into the medium flame and just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can flip the chicken into the other side in this way. You can flip the chicken according to the process until it gets cooked. It will take you 10 to 12 minutes of time for proper cooking. You need to flip the chicken to look into the another side, either the another side of the chicken is properly cooked or not. Now the chicken roast is ready, so let me lay it down into the bowl. Make sure to put this chicken into the side of the pan because it makes the oil passes away. Now let me place this chicken roast into the bowl. Similarly, repeat the process.